How to delete ESPN Fantasy League. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to delete your ESPN Fantasy League in just a few simple steps. If you no longer want to manage or participate in a league, here's how you can remove it quickly. Let's dive in. Start by opening the ESPN Fantasy app on your iPhone or any other device. You can also do this on the ESPN Fantasy website if you prefer a desktop experience. Make sure you're signed into your account where the league you want to delete is located, but the steps should be very similar or the same. Next, go to the menu and tap on Fantasy. Select the sport like football or basketball where your league is, and choose the league you want to delete. Once inside your league, head to the League Manager Tools section. This option will only be available if you're the league manager, so scroll down until you find the Settings section. If the league hasn't drafted yet, you'll see the option to delete league at the bottom of the screen, so tap it, confirm the deletion, and the league will be permanently removed. If the draft has already occurred, you can't delete the league, but you can either abandon or lock the league to stop further participation. And that's it. Deleting your ESPN Fantasy League is that simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.